leading military-industrial corporations continued to improve tanks, the relevance of which remains in modern conditions. A promising tank was presented by the German company Rheinmetall. This tank, according to the statements of the developer company, is made on the basis of the latest technologies. The combat vehicle has very high firepower, combined with the so-called complex survivability and fully digital control. This, according to the Germans, will allow him to dominate the battlefield. Unsurpassed firepower today is provided primarily by a new generation gun system. This is a 130mm smoothbore gun, a fully automated ammunition management system, as well as additional weapons consisting of various modules, including loitering munitions. These features, according to the developer, will provide advantages in combat with multiple targets at long distances. The 130mm gun system allows for a 50% longer range than the existing 120mm smoothbore guns. At the same time, an automatic loader is installed on the tank, which also provides a higher rate of fire. It is worth noting that loading a gun of this caliber manually would be very difficult, given the mass of ammunition. Additional armament consists of remote-controlled combat modules with various weapons, which provides protection from drones, for example. Optionally, Israeli-made Hero 120 loitering munition is installed, which allows you to hit targets beyond the line-of-sight range. This is a drone weighing about 18 kilograms and a range of up to 60 kilometers, with a barrage time of up to an hour. The mass of the warhead of about 5 kilograms can be cumulative or high explosive. It is noted that the number of crew members varies from 3 to 4. The latter option provides for the presence of a kamikaze drone operator or another driver for remote control of a slave robotic system. The commander has a panoramic sight with a laser rangefinder and a thermal imager. The fire control system is fully digital and using artificial intelligence elements to support decision-making. The tank has comprehensive protection, including passive and active armor, an active protection system, as well as an automatic aerosol curtain creation. All protection systems are automated and operate without operator involvement, from threat detection and counteraction to targeting the source of the threat. At the same time, the mass of the tank is about 59 kilograms, which is less than that of the M1A2 Abrams or Leopard 2A7. Tower reserve of about 500 kilometers. The tank's digital systems are capable of collecting information about a multi-domain battlefield and sharing it with other combat vehicles. This ensures effective joint actions on the principle of one saw, the other destroy. The tank's control system allows you to transfer the functions of crew members to each other without losing functionality, whether the tank will be put into service and when. Not reported. Another novelty is the Abrams-X tank. According to General Dynamics, this is a technology demonstrator for future improvements of the M1A2 Abrams tanks. After all, they still have quite a large modernization potential. The main feature of the new tank is an uninhabited turret and an armored capsule for the crew. In the front of the hull, like the Russian Armata tank, the tank's ammunition, as in previous versions of the Abrams, is placed in the stern of the tower. Charging is carried out automatically. The stated rate of fire is about 12 rounds per minute. The tank is equipped with an improved 120mm gun, which has a smaller mass and recoil, and also allows programming the fuses of projectiles with remote detonation. It provides for the use of guided projectiles XM1111, which are still experimental. Additional armament includes a machine gun and a 30mm automatic cannon in a remote-controlled combat module on the roof of the tower. The same gun is used on Apache combat helicopters. This weapon is designed to defeat lightly armored vehicles, air targets, manpower and other objects against which it is impractical to use a 120mm cannon. Instead of this gun, modules with a large caliber machine gun An automatic grenade launcher. Launch containers with Switchblade 300 kamikaze drones or Javelin ATGN can be installed. The control of the tank's weapons is carried out using an automated system that can be interfaced with sources of external targeting from friendly units. To support decision-making, artificial intelligence elements are used that provide search and identification of targets, rank them according to the degree of danger, monitor tank systems and other functions. The commander and gunner have panoramic sights with a thermal imager and a laser rangefinder. Comprehensive situational awareness is provided by all-round cameras, information from which is received by all crew members. The tank's security includes passive armor, the composition of which is not reported, and an upgraded Israeli-made Trophy active protection system, which has proven itself quite well in various conflicts. Optionally, reactive armor can also be installed. The tank has a hybrid power plant consisting of diesel and electric engines. It can work both in combined mode and with separate use of engines, so the use of only an electric motor can provide a stealthy low-nose movement of the tank. According to the developers, they do not expect that the tank will soon be put into service. However, they consider the created prototype as a bridge between the machines of the present and the future. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon.